If you're looking for a foot massager, let me tell you, this one by TISSACRE is more than just for your feet. It is absolutely awesome. I've used other ones before and nothing has compared to this. So right off the bat, you can see I absolutely love the way it looks. It kind of like is futuristic, which is really cool. All the buttons, you've got this beautiful, nice panel here, but I want to show you as soon as I turn it on, watch this part here. Like it just is so right away. Look at that. Can you imagine your feet are in here? That nice, beautiful pressure. So everything in the front, you can put on auto. You have heating as well. You can change the direction. And now it's going to start rolling the other way. Like, how cool is that? You can even put it on a timer, and they have it in increments of 5 minutes. So you can go up to 30 minutes, and then it will automatically shut off. And of course, you have the speed, so you can change that. And one of my favorite parts is it actually has a remote as well. So you don't even have to bend down to be doing this. You can just push this all from the remote. And the very last thing is this handle here is adjustable. So there are just 2 buttons. So you can move this about to position it how you want it. So you could be putting your feet in here. You can prop it up and put your calves. I was even watching one lady. She had her arms in here and she was just like hanging out like this. Feels so awesome. Honestly, absolutely love it. You need to try it.